Hi guys, we're going to review my save. So just keep going up. First, the Gore mod, classic Gore mod. Yeah. Bye bye. We're gonna dirt part. This is gonna be laggy, so spawn. There we go. It can be a bit laggy. Okay, there you go. There we go. Bye. Okay, we're gonna next. We're gonna add there the Gore mod pack. Oh no, alien worm, alien. Cancel. I don't want to. Tall ducky. I want this. Tall ducky is so cute, bro. Look at that. Look at his little arms. Gore melon. Gore melon again. But more gore. With eyes. Okay, we're gonna go to the land and sea first. The banana boat. This is fast. I have to pick it. Attack the builders.